I'm Tony Amaradio, and my goal is to provide information to help you in the areas of philanthropy and stewardship. Today we're going to talk about an excellent tool called a Charitable Remainder Uni Trust. This is a vehicle that clearly can provide an opportunity for you to sell a highly appreciated asset and completely eliminate the capital gains taxes. Simultaneously create a stream of income for you and or your spouse for the rest of your life. That upon your death, the remainder goes to charities. The nice thing about a charitable remainder uni trust is that if you sold the property outside the trust, you'd have to face capital gains, or in some cases you may have to defer the tax. This is a way to completely eliminate it. The stream of income cannot be lower than 5%. We don't recommend much higher than 7 to 8%. That stream of income would be paid to you and or your spouse for the rest of your life. That upon your death, the remainder would go to charities. This could be an excellent tool for people that want to see an increase in income for their retirement, then simultaneously give to the charities that they believe in after their death. Feel free to share this video and keep learning how to be faithful with your finances.